Then உங்களுடைய சுஸ்வி சுஸ்வி வந்து இவங்க வந்து ஒரு அக்கவுண்டன்ட். சாதாரண ஆளுகள் இல்லை, சும்மா அவங்க பேர் சொல்லி உட்காந்துட்டாங்க எல்லாம். ஆனா உண்மையிலேயே அவங்களுடைய பேக்ரவுண்ட் வந்து எல்லாம் பயங்கரமான பேக்ரவுண்ட், எல்லாம் பயங்கரமான கெட்டவங்க. சுஸ்வி, can you just say what happened?
Oh, to my mother.
Yes.
Oh, okay. My mother, she.
Short, very short, huh?
Okay. Today, at 80 years old, her health is much better than she was when she was 40. So her whole body is a lot straighter. She's a lot stronger mentally, emotionally, and physically.
அதுக்கு நிறைய சிங்கப்பூருடைய மாணவர்கள் அவங்க கல்வியில தோல்வி கண்டவர்கள், லோ மார்க் எடுத்தவரெல்லாம் இப்ப ரொம்ப சக்சஸ்ஃபுல்லா இருக்காங்க. குறிப்பாக வேர்ல்ட்லயே நம்பர் 1 ஆன what do you call the Huppies world number 2 top 5 world top Huppies. அவரு அம்மா கூட வந்து when he joined from 15, now he is 7 years old. Now he is 15 years. ஒரு 7 வருட காலத்துல நிறைய மாற்றங்கள் வந்திருக்கிறது. இது படிப்பு சம்பந்தமா அது பிடிக்கிறதுனால. அந்த பகுதியில மேடம் பரமேஷ் இருக்கிறாங்க. பரமேஷ் வந்து அவங்க வந்து டிப்ரெஸ்ட் பிகாஸ் அவங்க மகன் வந்து ஆக்சிடென்ட்ல இறந்து ஒரு பைலட் இன்ஜினியர், ஏர்கிராஃப்ட் இன்ஜினியர். அம்மாவை சந்தித்த 3 வருஷத்துக்கு பிறகு அவங்களுடைய கவலைகள்லாம் மறந்து இப்ப நல்லபடியா வியாபாரம் தொழில் ஒரு பெரிய ஹோட்டல் வச்சு நடத்துறாங்க. மலேசியாவில் தொழில் வச்சு நடத்துறாங்க.
And also we have a center. After enjoying all the benefits from Nyanyang's work towards us, we created a center above my hotel. I mean, it's a restaurant we call in our language. And through that, we are spreading the light to many of our area people. And children are benefiting. They are becoming more brilliant through the hard work of all our good brothers and sisters in the center. And also people who are very depressed, they come there and they look happier. And it's not only meant for unhappy people. People who are happy become more happier. You know, loving couples become more loving, like these two people. They're very loving couples. You know, that's the benefit of our power of life. Thanks to me.
Mr. Chair. This one was, yes. Both near me. Okay. இவருக்கு வந்து சிங்கப்பூர்ல பெரிய கான்ட்ராக்டர். இவர் வந்து ஒவ்வொரு நாளைக்கும் அவருடைய வியாபாரத்துல 1 லட்சம் சிங்கப்பூர் வெள்ளி ஒவ்வொரு நாளைக்கு லாஸ் பண்ணி, ஒரு நாளைக்கு 1 லட்சம் சிங்கப்பூர் வெள்ளி நட்டத்துல போயிட்டு இருந்தது அவருடைய வியாபாரம். அம்மாவை when did you met? You can tell mother.
I met Daniel in 2006. During that time we have a project. It was very slow because of many problems. And after using the sticker to cleanse the site, and the progress has improved, and we managed to finish the project on schedule. And if we delay the job, we will be fined by the owner $10,000 a day. And we managed to finish on schedule, so we don't have to pay the fine.
அவர் வந்து ஒரு கான்ட்ராக்டர். ஸோ இதுதான் ஒரு சில டெஸ்டிமோனி. எல்லாரும் ஒரு கதை சொல்லுவாங்க, மற்றவங்க பூரா ஒரு கதை சொல்றதுக்கு நேரம் போதாதனால இது வந்து இன்னொன்று, இது வியாபாரமும் கிடையாது, விற்கவும் கிடையாது. நீங்க இதை வந்து அது ஏதோ தலையில கட்டி போகலாம் கிடையாது. அம்மாவுடைய எண்ணம் நோக்கம் எல்லாம் இவங்க தான் நிறைய அள்ளி கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. போற இடத்துலலாம் இவங்க தான் கொடுத்து அள்ளி கொடுக்குறாங்க. ஏன்னா அவங்களுக்கு கொடுக்கறதுக்கு நிறைய பேர் இருக்கிறாங்க. இங்க வந்து அவங்க வந்து இதை சொல்றது காரணம் ஒரு சிலருக்கு இது தெரியணும், நிறைய தெரிஞ்சுக்கணும்னா அப்புறம் இந்த புஸ்தகம் இருக்குது, மேகசின் பார்த்து தெரிஞ்சுக்கலாம். ஆகையால இந்த சிறிய வேலையில் எங்களெல்லாம் நீங்கள் அன்போடு வரவழைத்து இந்த விருந்து உபசரிப்பில் ஏற்பாடு செய்த டாக்டர் சம்பத் அவர்களுக்கும் அவருடைய குழுவினர்களுக்கும் எங்களுடைய சார்பில் மனமார்ந்த நன்றி தெரிவித்து விடைபெறுகிறேன். நன்றி, வணக்கம்.
கணேசன் அவர்கள் மக்களாக எடுத்து கூறினார்கள். உண்மையிலே நாம் மகிழ்ச்சி அடைய வேண்டிய ஒன்று. ஏனென்றால் வந்திருப்பவர்கள் என்ன செய்திருக்கிறார்கள் என்பதை அங்கிருந்து வந்தவர்கள் சொன்னால்தான் சரியாக இருக்கும். அதை மிக சிறப்பாக சொன்னார். ஆகவே அவர்களுக்கு என்னுடைய நன்றியை தெரிவித்துக் கொள்கிறேன். It is an opportunity to introduce one more special guest today to introduce to the audience. That is Mr. Selvaraj from London. Actually, today morning I saw one of the oldest and popular daily newspaper called Murasoli. Murasoli published a photograph of Mr. Selvaraj along with the former Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, Dr. Kalaignar M. Karunanidhi. So he met yesterday and he got a blessings from our former Chief Minister, and I saw the photograph. Immediately I called one of my close friends, Mr. Sengai Sivam, and also I tried to reach Mr. Subhavira Pandian. I was unable to reach him, but finally Sengai Sivam, I called the Anna Arival in the morning. I collected the telephone number and I called Mr. Sivam. And I told your friend Mr. Selvaraj in town, I like to talk to him, and also I want to invite him for today's lunch because we are planning to host for a special lunch for the Malaysian delegation. So this is an opportunity to meet him. So Mr. Selvaraj, I never met him, this is the first time meeting here. So Mr. Selvaraj is actually well-established person in London. He is running at he is maintaining and running a very powerful Hindu temple in London. Apart from that, he is spreading our Tamil culture, language, literature and civilization in Europe. We organized a very big conference in London with the support of the various individuals, and also that conference went on very well in the University of London. One of my friend, Mr. Muthuvel attended that conference, and also Muthuvel told this one person himself contributed a lot and organized a big conference in London that is cost 1 crore of Indian rupees. Not only that, Mr. Subhavi also told me like that, because we got different reports about the conference. But I want an eyewitness about that. Myself personally went and saw the various programs in the internet and also the television clippings and other things. He done a wonderful job. I am very happy. Even though we also come to the conference secretariat are unable to respond to our request. Many times we send an email. We are unable to get any reply from them. But it's not his fault. But if it is in anything organized, the organizing group should go together with the organizer. Then only it will be success. You know this Obama, not a big man, not a very influenced person. He studied in Harvard, but only 10 computer personnel sitting in the one room and sent an emails and a communication to entire US, and he got a president of America only how to function in the secretariat. That is a pride for us. But our man, I always admire about without seeing him. I tried to meet him when I was in London twice. I was in the London last September to attend the Indo-China conference organized by Westminster University. Again I went October for International Indian Business Leaders Conference organized in the Towers Hotel. We all went, big delegation from India. But I met different individuals. I asked about Selvaraj. I want to meet the gentleman. Because the Professor Muthuvel and Mr. Subhavira Pandian told a lot about his services and he is interested for community service. I want to honor him today among our friends, among our guests, because on behalf of the Madras Development Society and Sattakare, because we are also doing for similar service for the past 30 years. We are organizing many seminars, conferences, workshops in Chennai and other parts of the world. I was the Vice President of the 6th World Tamil Research Conference in Kuala Lumpur in 1987. I was one of the Vice President. Then again 1989, 7th Conference in Mauritius, I was one of the Vice President organized by Arugam Parasaram. Then similarly, 2009, Dr. Kalaignar organized a classical Tamil conference. I was one of the reception committee member nominated by the government of Tamil Nadu. So I am involved, I myself involved years together for this type of activities. All my friends support. Apart from that, because of I went for many countries, the Chinese communities, Japanese communities, Korean communities, Jewish communities, and many other communities growing very well, very well, very well. Even Indian communities, Punjabis, Gujaratis, many people, our Tamil people is very, very poor, very ordinary situation. In Malaysia, if I see Tamil communities, they are standing at the gate as a gatesman at the 5-star hotel, but eating inside is a rich people in other community. I am seeing everywhere, Tamils are very bad. So we want to support our Tamil community, go up economically. That is the reason we organized the first inaugural pre-conference in 2005 in Sydney, then 2007 in Kuala Lumpur. Then finally we reached the first conference in Chennai 2009. The second conference organized 2 crores we spent we want to show economic conference as a rich, elaborate and top class conference. We organized such a manner in Dubai, supported by Mr. Salahuddin, biggest industrial businessman in Dubai by name Salahuddin. 75,000 Tamils are working in Middle East under his support. He came forward to support entire conference money. One gentleman, he supported the organization. Now we are planning the 3rd conference. Now we tried for, I went for at least 10 visits to Kuala Lumpur. Similarly, last visit that Subhash Karan, Allimuthu Raja told, we are ready to support. Why don't you organize in London? Now our Dutt also given a similar offer. One side Kuala Lumpur, another side London. We will call our executive committee meeting. We will discuss in detail. We will certainly not for Malaysia or not for London to not rejecting. We want this year Kuala Lumpur means next year London, or this year London means next year Kuala Lumpur. Yes. Certainly we want to go with this thread to everywhere continuously to create a network, not only for separately being Tamil community from entire world, not like that. We have to mingle with other communities, not only to grow the business, to grow their knowledge, to grow everything. Our idea is networking. I am very happy to introduce Mr. Chandra, the great man, organized a very big conference. வாங்க தமிழ் ப்ரொஃபசர் எல்லாம் வாங்க வாங்க நீங்க வாங்க
தமிழர்கள் எல்லாம் வாங்க
இது வந்து எங்களுடைய லண்டன் மாநாட்டிலே எல்லோருக்கும் அளிக்கப்பட்ட ஒரு நினைவு சின்னம். அதை நான் இங்கே எடுத்து வந்தேன் இப்படிப்பட்ட பெரியவர்களுக்கு கொடுப்பதற்காக. நேற்று கலைஞருக்கு ஒன்று கொடுத்தேன், இன்று டாக்டர் சம்பத் அவர்களுக்கு நான் ஒரு தமிழர், ஆகவே தமிழில் பேசுவது எனக்கு சிறப்பு என்று நினைக்கின்றேன். அதே நேரத்தில் I don't want to confuse you, right? So I'll speak in Tamil. Dr. Muthuvel will interpret. All right? ரியலி ஓகே. நான் இங்கே லண்டனுக்கு வந்தேன் வேறு அலுவலாக சென்னைக்கு. எஸ் சாரி.
I have come to Chennai for some other purpose.
இன்றைக்கு காலையில் எனக்கு டாக்டர் சம்பத்திடமிருந்து ஒரு தொலைபேசி அழைப்பு வந்தது. டாக்டர் சம்பத்தை பற்றி எனக்கு எங்களுடைய சட்டத்தண்ணி ஸ்ரீஸ்கந்தராஜா சொல்லியிருந்தார். அப்போது இவர் கால் பண்ணோன்னே எனக்கு வேறொரு என்கேஜ்மெண்ட் இருந்தது. ஆனால் இங்கே மலேசியாவிலிருந்து நிறைய டெலிகேட்ஸ் வந்திருக்கிறாங்க. அவங்கள சந்திக்கிறது ஒரு பெரிய இடம். அதுபடி அப்போ நான் யோசித்து பார்த்தேன், எல்லாரும் ஒருக்கா பார்க்க வேண்டிய ஒரு சந்தர்ப்பம் எனக்கு இருந்தது. என்றால் மலேசியாவிலே முதலாவது மாநாடு மலேசியாவில் தான் நடந்தது. மாநாடு மலேசியாவில் தான் நடந்தது. அப்போ அப்படிப்பட்ட ஒரு புகழ்பெற்ற அந்த நாட்டிலிருந்து வந்திருக்கக்கூடிய மக்களை பார்ப்பது எனக்கு ஒரு சிறப்பாக நினைத்தது. அதற்காக அதை கேன்சல் பண்ணிவிட்டு உங்களை பார்க்க இங்கே வந்திருக்கின்றேன். நான் இங்கே ஒரு குற்ற உணர்வோடும் நிற்கின்றேன். ஏனென்றால் நாங்கள் நடத்தின அந்த லண்டன் மாநாட்டுக்கு இங்கே பல பெரியவர்களை அழைக்காமல் விட்டு விட்டேன். அது எனக்கு ஒரு பெரிய ஒரு கில்ட்டி கன்சர்ன். இட்ஸ் ஓகே. ஆகவே இப்போ இப்படிப்பட்ட ஒரு சந்தர்ப்பத்தை எனக்கு so just go on.
In London itself, I have heard about our friend Sampath. Mr. Srikanth Raja told one of the lawyer told me about Sampath. But this is the opportunity that I meet you first. Why though in spite of my other engagement, why did I choose to come here? Because Malaysia is a country where the first Tamil conference, Tamil World Conference was held. So I'm very happy to be here with this. But when as we conducted the conference, Tamil conference in London, we are not able to contact some big people in Tamil Nadu. So
Not big people, they are
big scholars, people who have been associated in public life. So that is the reason why I feel slightly guilty.
ஸோ அடுத்ததாக இந்த மலேசியான்னு சொன்ன போனால் சைனீஸோட தொடர்பு இருக்கு இல்லையா? யூ ஆல் ஆர் ஃப்ரம், ஐ மீன் ஒரிஜினலி சைனா ஓர்
Malaysia Chinese, and Singapore Chinese, and original.
What do you mean Malaysia Chinese and Singapore Chinese? What do you
Meaning they were born and brought up in Malaysia and in Singapore. This is the third or fourth generation.
Oh, but
Originally came from China.
And because what I'm
Just like Indians from here.
that's right. சைனாக்கும் எங்களுக்கும் நிறைய தொடர்பு இருக்கு.
Yes.
சைனாவுடைய கல்ச்சர், சைனாவுடைய கடவுள் நம்பிக்கை, சைனாவுடைய வாழ்க்கை முறை எங்கள் தமிழர்களோடு ஒத்துப்போகுது. அந்த வகையில் நாங்கள் உங்களுடைய சகோதரர்கள், உங்களை பார்ப்பதற்காக தான் நாங்கள் இங்கு வந்தோம். இந்த உறவு முறை தொடர வேண்டும்.
There is a connection, there is a relationship between China and India in culture, in belief, in faith in God. These are the things that are similar to Chinese and Indian Tamil people. Those in this way you are our brothers. So for that purpose I have been here.
We have to carry on this friendship forever. That is what we are expecting. I will take you all the faces to London and I'll express everything there as well. And thank you very much for giving me a chance. And I always thank you very much.
In London, sir, of course, in the
One program, another 5 minutes, just wait for 5 minutes for lunch. Because always the Madras Development Society encourage people to come all over the world to serve as an intern. We always invite to internet through various ISEC and various sources for the past 15 years from various countries, from Canada, from Brazil, from England, from China, from Switzerland, Netherlands, like that. Now in our office, one Morocco girl by name Sumaya, she is working as an intern. I'm inviting her to come to activity. I think she must very happy to, because to hear many people is okay. She is very proud and pride to work in our organization as an intern. I am just honoring her on behalf of everyone today. You want to say one word or two words?
Thank you very much for this honor. I am very pleased to be part of the Madras Development Society for the great efforts they do for the Tamil community and for the Indians in general, and also to spread their message for the whole world. This is a very good thing, and I'm pleased to be a part of this. Thank you very much. And I'm pleased to
Today, other few friends came. Just I want to introduce them. Come one by one, say your name and name. Come, please, all stand. We are unable to put a shawl, everyone. We will call you some other day and we will honor you. Okay. Yes. Come, so Sumayani, you also come for group photo. Yes, group photo. One, come. Come. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
And friends, Professor Ram, I've known him for a long time through emails and calls. I've never seen him. So he gave me a shock today.
Only thing he don't want to come here.
Oh, yes.
Only pressurized to come here.
So the other professors are here. I respect all of you, the Tamil professors, our friends from Malaysia and so on. I won't take much time because I know now it's another 2 or 3 minutes left for us to have lunch. We, on behalf of Malaysian team and also Chinese and everything, would like to thank Dr. Sampath to organize such a beautiful function. I think it's a great honor to our Dato, to our mother and our friend Chandra and all of us. Once again, I'll take this opportunity to extend our gratitude and thanks. Of course, the conference, please come over. As Dato said, I should tell you that Dato can just reach the Prime Minister via SMS or call. Otherwise, in the middle of the night, he will drive straight to the Prime Minister's home. This access is not even given to many ministers. And he has got the access, he has got a card. I follow him all the time. He has a card, he goes straight to the Prime Minister's office. You believe me, he goes to the Prime Minister's office, nobody stops him. He waves the card, he will go straight to Prime Minister's office place and he can meet the Prime Minister. So in that sense, I believe that strength will help our conference, and I want the investors, the business people from all over the world to come to Malaysia. It is not to show our strength, but I want to see the Malaysian Indians too gets this exposure. And of course, I want to see my community, of course, worldwide, and of course, especially in Malaysia, to prosper through your goodwill and your advice and your support. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much.
On behalf of our organization, Professor Dr. Roosevelt will say
On behalf of Madras Development Society, first of all, I thank Reverend Mother, Professor Dato Sri and Professor Rajendran and all of the delegates. It's our honor. That's because our specialty. Because I have to make this opportunity to say a few words about Anna Selvaraj. I have to say that he is an elder brother, not only the Tamil community in Tamil Nadu or London. He is an elder brother for Tamil diaspora in the world, I used to say. Because the way how he organized the Tamil conference in London is an excellent way. He has organized. He is an individual. The conference which supposed has to be organized by government or organization has been organized by an individual. All of his efforts helpful for the conference. I thank on behalf of the entire Tamil community. I thank Anna Raja Selvaraj for his endurance, and I request him to let him continue his service to the Tamil community. And I want to thank special thanks for Madras Development Society to Dato Sri for having come forward with an offer to invite us to hold the conference in Kuala Lumpur. Sincere thanks to you, sir. I thank once again all of you for having accepted our invitation and having come to and join with us in the lunch. Thank you, one and all.
Lunch is a buffet lunch. It's a very small place. One by one, you can go and take your plate and take whatever. Then, wait a second. Our guest from London will receive one more the souvenir and other thing from the Reverend Mother.
Thank you.